You're about to do a sea cargo and you want to gather information, this video is definitely for you. Or you have someone that is about to do sea cargo or is thinking about doing sea cargo, this video is also for you. If you're seeing a beautiful face for the first time, it's Peace Diaries, and ta-da! Our shipment arrived yesterday. I'm so grateful that it has arrived, and I'm happy that I get to unbox my sea cargo. I cargoed 183 kg of food items, clothing, and the rest of them, but 90% food items. I can't wait to unbox. Happy. Now, before unboxing, let me just go through the details. I initially wanted to Webill via cargo link, but when I reached out to them, when I was ready to cargo and I reached out to them, they were saying some items are prohibited, items like custard, milk, Milo, beans. And I'm like, but I cargoed with you guys the last time. What I would say, customs law have changed. I said, okay, there are changes in custom law. I said, okay, no wahala. So I reached out to other cargo companies, and then Cargo Niger clicked with me because they accepted beans. They also accepted custard. So I'm like, okay, why not go with them? So I went with them. All items apart from beans cost £1.50, and the total kg is 162.05 kg. Then for the beans, it's 21.10 kg. It costs £2 per kg. £2 per kg for the gallon of beans, and that amount to £42. So the total I paid was £305.3 was what I paid for this 183 kg. And let me know in the comment section if it's worth it or not. My mom helped me to package all this item. God bless her soul. God bless her. She was the one that got some items. My mom, my aunties, they helped me to gather these items, and then my mommy went to the sea cargo company, Cargo Niger, to deliver it there from Lagos. So we dropped the item July 30th, and then they said their sea cargo is going to sail August. The expected date of arrival is 10th of October, and I was called 2 days after 10th of October that my shipment is here. So it took about August, September, 6 weeks, roughly 6 weeks. So I was skeptical about this company, but because they measure in exporting, no, they measure in moving items from UK to Nigeria. Because I know that last year I wanted to do sea cargo. They said they don't do sea cargo from Nigeria to UK, only from UK to Nigeria. So I reached out to them again this month if they do sea cargo from Nigeria to UK. Say yes, they now do sea cargo from Nigeria to UK. I was like, okay, let me go with them, since they are accepting beans and other things that other cargo companies are not accepting. Let me go with them. I was skeptical about them, finger crossed, but they delivered. So Cargo Niger is trusted cargo company. You can patronize them. So without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. This is item number 1, my ring light and the stand. So I'm going to unbox it now. If you're a content creator, you know that you need ring light. I've started content creating, so I needed ring light, so I got it. So after the what they call it again, a ring light, box number 1, let's unbox. So this box of clothes, right, this box of clothes. So this box of clothes. So I told my is it tailor now to help me to sew some dresses for me, and thank God this came early because next week will be black day in my child's school, so she will have to wear a African print Ankara. I'm happy about that. She would have to wear it. Then we have Gary. This is Gary, yellow Gary. So I'll just put it to one side. And this is Ijebu Gary. Ijebu Gary, sell water, but you got what did you say? So this is Ijebu Gary. This is mini yellow Gary, but this is Ijebu Gary. I got one bag of yellow Gary. One bag of yellow Gary. I think is I'm glad I bought it. She's a supplier. She supplies Banga, so she knows where she gets this Gary. This Edo Gary that I used to draw. They supplied it to her, so I think I got it. Or maybe I should I'll put the cost breakdown later and the quantity I got, so that it will guide you whenever you are doing your own Chicago. Then this is my beans. Let me show you guys all the heavy items. This is my beans, my gallon of beans, 25 liters gallon of beans. This is going to last us 1 year again. Let's unbox this box number 2. Let's unbox. So yeah, Nekelon. I used to make my daughter's hair extension. We have box number 3, so let's unbox it. So we have custard. I got 2 packs of custard. This one is checkers custard. So Indomie dodo. This is onion indomie, small carton. I think I got 4 or 3. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Enough indomie. Then golden morn. This is golden morn. So that's all we have in this carton. That's why I brought pot from Nigeria. I need pots, big one. So these are the ones I brought. 2 more pots from Nigeria. Hibiscus leaf, zobo leaf, melon, egusi, 1 ziplock, 2nd ziplock of egusi, another zobo, Milo, seasoning cube, fenugreek and clove, tiger nuts, hey, my ori, zobo leaf, ukwa chinaka, breadfruit, another ziplock of ukwa, tiger nut again. This is okpa. Oh, for the love of okpa. Opa Dioku, Bambara floor. Another one, enough Opa. And this is another ukwa. Wow. So that's all about our unboxing, guys. These are all the items I cargoed. Now I'm going to give you guys the cost breakdown of everything. I wrote them down here for reference purpose. So I'm just going to, if you see me looking down, I'm reading from the book. I'm not picking up my head. So 2025 Sea Cargo, that's what I titled it. 2025 Sea Cargo is what I titled it. And I cargoed yeah, these are branded carton, cost me 8,000. Transport from my place to the Sea Cargo warehouse cost me 20,000 naira. I got Ziploc for packaging, cost me 8,000. Then the no cost me 8,500. Gary 27,000. Ijebu Gary I got 10,000 naira. This tiger nut, I think I got 3 paints. It cost me like 16,500. Then for my egusi, I got 3.5 pints of egusi, 40,000 naira. I got my ukwa, 4.5 pints of ukwa, 60,000 naira. For the beans, I think beans is 11 pints. The beans is 11 pints, which cost 30,000 naira. Like I said, Ankara and so and everything is 80,000 naira. I think I didn't add transport. The Indomie, 3 small cartons. I showed you guys earlier, 31,800. Golden one, 1 carton, 31,800. No, sorry, 24,000. Golden one, 1 carton, 24,000 naira. Milo, I bought 1 carton, but I shared it. I don't told them to put 2 for me. So they put 2 for me. I've got the carton like 39,000 naira. Custard, 29,000. My dates cost me 11,000 naira. That is 1 pint of dates. 300,000 for clothing, sneakers, shoe, 300,000 naira. The total I spent was 999,300 naira. If you've not watched my previous video about the first Sea Cargo I did, I will link it for you to go watch. I did the first Sea Cargo with cargo link. I'll leave the link up. Then I brought some items while coming to the UK last year. I made a video on that. I'll also leave the link up for you guys to go watch. So in that video I said I'm going to talk about how we planned our second Sea Cargo. We planned saving for our next Sea Cargo because that was what made sense to us, just to cargo some food items that would last us, because we eat most of African things. So we saved, we budgeted 150 for food every month, and then we would use 100 to buy our groceries, and then we budgeted 180. Yes, 180 for food. We budgeted 180 pounds every month for food from December 2024. So we were saving 80 pounds, 80 pounds. I don't know if it's December we started saving 80 pounds, but I'm going to leave the screenshot of when we started saving, because I was using my own account, my Monzo account, to save it. So we saved 80 pounds every month till July this year that we did the Sea Cargo. We stopped saving. The money amounted to 500 and something pounds. So that is the amount, that is the money we use to do this Sea Cargo. 500 and something pounds. We spent roughly 502 pounds for this cargo, pounds equivalent, and then for we bill, that is for the Sea Cargo, we spent 305 pounds. 305 pounds. Then for delivery to the house from Cargo Niger Depot in the UK cost us 50 pounds. These items will last us for 1 year. Remember, the Sea Cargo I did last year, August, they are still available. The likes of palm oil, the beans. I did a video about the items that is left after 1 year. the link, I'll leave the link. Go and watch it, the items that I still have, so that whenever, if you want to plan your sea cargo, how long these items, food items, would last you, we can, that video will be a guidance, would guide you. We eat most of African food, and these food items still last us 1 year. So that's all on our unboxing. Till I come again next time, remain blessed. Love you guys.